When was the last time you woke up and actually wanted to come out of the bed? If you can't remember, come with me. Today I will show you how to get a lighter body in the morning and clearer mind. Hi, I am Moumita Mukherjee. Welcome to Mom's Yoga. Are you ready for the energetic morning? Let's start together right now on the mat. Anyone can do. No props required. One thing to know before we start moving. Waking up and straight jumping into your day, it's like starting a car engine completely cold. That's exactly what we are going to change today. Follow along with this flow. Just breathe and don't strain anything. Show up only. Stand straight. Keep a 1 feet distance in between your legs. And then keep your hands on your waist. Inhaling right. Exhaling front. Inhaling left. Exhaling front. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rotate your neck slowly, gently. From the right, inhaling down, exhaling left. From the left, inhaling back, exhaling to the right. Every movement 3 times or 30 seconds each. For your shoulder movement, clockwise 3 times, 2, 3, anti-clockwise 1, 2, 3. Take your fingers deep on your shoulders, join your elbows, then rotate clockwise 1, 2, 3, anti-clockwise 1, 2, and 3. For your fingers and palms, pull it before you, then on the back side, again left hand, pull it towards you, and the back side. Make a fist, putting your thumb inside, rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 times. Release. Now for your waist, take 1.5 feet distance in between your legs and rotate your waist clockwise, anti-clockwise 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. For your knees, bend little bit in squat. Put your hands on your knees and then rotate clockwise 1, 2, and 3. Anti-clockwise 1, 2, and 3. Not the whole body, only your knees with your waist. Take your right leg little up, then bend your toes, 2, 3, then the ankle, 2, 3, rotate clockwise, 1, 2, 3, anti-clockwise, 1, 2, 3, then the whole leg, 1, 2, 3, anti-clockwise, 1, 2, and 3. Same with your left leg. Take in the front little bit up, your toes, bend your toes, 3, then your ankle, up and down, 2, and 3. rotate clockwise, 2, 3, anti-clockwise, 1, 2, 3, rotate whole leg, clockwise, 1, 2, 3, anti-clockwise, 1, 2, and 3. Walk the mat distance on your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk on the edge of your feet. 3, 4, 5, 6. The other edge of your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the last, do the jumping jack as per your capacity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove all your inertia, all your tiredness. Let's start our day with energy. That's it. Practice it 10 minutes only before everyone wakes up. Try it today, tomorrow, and day after. Because a life-changing morning routine does not get built up in one video. It is when you choose to repeat. Subscribe. Let's build that habit together, one morning at a time.